In front of me is HONOR X7A, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features on this HONOR. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down to access System and Updates. Following that, select Language and Input, Microsoft Keyboard, and Typing. As you can see, all typing options are available over here. If you wish to manage them, just click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!